Hi YouTube, welcome to Wespix. Hope you're all doing well through this coronavirus that's going around. I know everyone's on lockdown apart from the people that can work, and fortunately I have been able to keep going because I manufacture and I can't work from home. I've managed. And in my spare time, in my lunch hours and stuff, I've obviously made a few picks. Well, I've made a few this week, but show you a couple. Got this nice little gem style hook. It's got burr elm 3D honeycomb acrylic handle with a brass. And the brass actually goes right the way through, and then I cut the partial tang into it afterwards. So we've got that one, nice little brass pins. We've got this one, again the brass goes right the way through, partial tang again. This one's got like a pink acrylic, and this 4,200-year-old bogwood on the outside. Sort of short to medium hook, quite nice, quite comfortable. We've got this little, it's a bit dirty, little boom slang, little mini one. It's got an olive wood handle with, get this to focus, excuse the paint all over my hands. I've been painting a window that I made. Anyway, this one's full tang, and 2.4mm aluminium pins. Like I say, the boom slang tip on it. And this one, quite pleased with this one. It's one of my favourite profiles to make. It's the Prince and Princess. Princess. This one, full tang. Again, the burr elm and 3D honeycomb acrylic, 2.4mm aluminium pins again. Quite pleased with this. It's a quite nice little comfy pick. Should we? Oh, and this one. I don't really want to show you this one because I've had a lot of anal bead comments. This one is ebony, and when I made it, I thought, going to get some comments on this one. Cy Vickers. I just thought it'd be an interesting little shape, something a little bit different. It's actually really comfortable. Good medium hook on it. Very nice shine on the steel. Right, I'm going to give this little beastie a go. Right, got this one. Got this. It's got a Yale keyway. I'm not sure. Very nice bitting on the key. It's got no name on the euro itself. Let's take the keys out. So it is all locked up. Find a tension wrench. Do that one. We'll go in with the Princess. Without getting it stuck. Prince and Princess, I find such, well, to me, one of the best kind of rake profiles out there, he says. Let's give that a reset. Dirty old lock this is. Let's get my nice shiny pick all dirty. And there we go. So we've got in that side. Should we see if we can get in the other side? Probably the same pin in. Actually, I'll lock that one back up. I know it doesn't normally make a difference. In with the Princess again. I chose the Princess because it just seems to match the bit in a bit better. Gentle rocking, bit of raking, and we're in again. So we can get the pick out again. Ah, yes. Dirty. Look at the state of that now. But anyway, that is a bit of pick porn with the few Wes picks from the lockdown, so to speak. Lockdown in my workshop. So I hope you enjoyed that, and stay safe. Thank you very much.